We'll guide you through how to fix the AirPods pop-up not showing up. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really annoying problem as it means you can't then go and connect them and go and use them. So let's get started. So first of all, when you go and open up the case, make sure you go and see a flashing light. This indicates there is some battery in the case. If nothing happens, try charging it and go and see if that solves the problem. You can go and close the case and reopen it after charging it and see if it pops up. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, come onto your iPhone and you go and open up the settings. Scroll down and go and find the option for General, then go and find Software Update. And if there's an update available, go and do it. So I can press update now and go through with the steps. After you updated your iPhone, if there was one available, open up the case and go and see if you get the pop-up. If you do, you can then connect to it. If there's no update available or you still don't get the pop-up, then try doing a forced restart. To do that, press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep it held down until you see the Apple icon. Your phone screen will go black. When your iPhone starts again, go and open up the case, and hopefully now you go and get the pop-up and you can then go and connect. If you found this useful, then leave a like.